What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static
Garage.
Fuck, bro, we haven't even talked about that yet. Today we are going to be revealing something that we've been actually working on, and I haven't posted anything, only on my stories a couple of times on Instagram. So if you guys want to see anything that's behind the scenes, make sure to follow me at Static Danny, Static Martin, Static Cha-Cha, and Static fucking Stephanie. But are you guys, are you guys ready to see this? Oh, what's up, guys?
What's up, guy?
So
what the fuck was this? Alright.
We missed this.
You ready to fully reveal it and do a complete walk around about how bad this wrap is right now?
So we fucked up everywhere. It's fine. 600 bucks. 700 at the end because we had to order more wrap because somebody messed up on a quarter panel.
Hey.
But it's fine. For free.
Está bien.
Está bien. You're gonna be able to see a bunch of clear coat running from the previous paint. I guess it got painted before.
Because this is salvage title, but the thing is that we didn't actually pay attention because the silver hit a lot of the runs.
Yeah, you couldn't tell until after we wrapped it.
And since red, it's a darker color, you can see like right there.
I mean, there's a lot of little mess ups everywhere, but we did ourselves.
With the help of the wrap source for the bumpers. I don't think I've ever attempted to do a bumper after I did mine. So I told Martin straight out, I can try it, but don't get mad if I fail. So we can hit up my buddy Paul at the wrap stores to do them real quick. So he did them. So shout out to him because he always ends up doing all of our bumpers. So make sure to hit him up at the wrap source to wrap anything you want. We also added a little special stamp. Dude, honestly, this looks really, really nice. Like, yeah, it's a nice touch.
Amazon, like 20 bucks, I don't know. Wait.
Hey, but are you really corn-fed?
Check it out. Just so I don't forget.
You're dumb. How do you forget?
That's not how it works.
Just in case, you never know.
Because this car is finally tuned. I think the black mirrors make it look really, really nice.
Yeah.
It just complements it.
We might have to redo it.
Black on the roof looks
Hey,
so
bro.
good.
Fool, where'd your beanie go, fool?
Where'd it go, fool? Fool, you owe me a new beanie, dog.
We're gonna go back to the house to give you guys a full detail. Martin's having G35 issues. What do you think it is now? Oil burning, low oil pressure.
First thing that we did, we wanted to try out the trunk. It looked kind of easy, but not too easy. I'll be like Danny. Because of the curve. The curve here made it really difficult. And then,
Fuck you. Why did we want to start on a smaller spot?
just in case we mess up, that way we could throw away this little piece instead of a big piece like a quarter pound.
Hey, fuck you. Hey, fuck you again. Hey.
So at the bottom, as you can see, it's not done. We did that for a reason. We do want to show off the exhaust and the little, what do you call it? Silencer part?
Yeah, they're like silencers or an additional muffler.
Yeah, so we do want to cut it out just straight across just to see.
We'll see. Comment down below if you guys think we should just paint it black.
Paint it black. That might be good too.
Paint it black, or
should we paint it black first? See how it looks, and if it looks like shit, just cut it.
True.
Yeah.
I think we should paint it first.
So if you guys comment down below what you guys think. Should we just full sand? Because I don't want to cut it right here because I feel like it'd look weird. So if we cut it straight across, I wrap this part and then just go from there. Even if we paint it black, I feel like painting it straight across would look better. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we'll do a video of cutting the bumper.
So after looking at the cardboard, I am missing a bunch of trim pieces. This piece right here, I did remove it a while ago because it was black, but it had rubber on it, and the rubber just started cracking. And I thought it was just paint, so I started taking it off, but it ended up being rubber all the way around. It's just weird. So it's missing that. This window looks like it's missing something too. It just looks weird.
Yeah, it has to, because like even right here, it just looks weird.
Yeah, but
like if there's gasket all around.
The front's like that too, isn't it?
Yeah.
I bought it like that.
And that's what's weird is we don't know what's been done to this car. Like I said, we realized that the whole car was repainted because it was hit right here. As you can see, it does raise up a little bit, so we're gonna have to push that in. And this side lines up perfectly, so obviously the impact was from there. But it's like they removed a lot of things. Like right, these we removed, but even right here, there's a giant gap. And normally, you wouldn't be able to see all the cut marks if you had this piece. So once we have it, you're not gonna be able to see all these wavy ass lines that I did. Look at it, it's already peeling right here. Martin, when we did the quarter panel, I did cut it along this line before I did the door. And this was probably the nicest cut I did because it was perfect. But then when we start walking to over here, when we did the fender, there's like two things that went wrong. One, I cut it when I was cutting the wrap for the door. I sliced it not knowing that I went too deep, and it looks really hazy right here because the wrap was stuck on here, and we actually had it sitting for about like 20 to 30 minutes. It was an hour, huh? We had it sitting for a while, and we even heated it up, and when we peeled it off, there's a bunch of glue residue. So Martin thought it was a great idea to use glue gun.
Goof off.
Goof off.
It was better than the stick because in the stick he's gonna get all the dirt and shit.
Sticky fuck?
It was sticky.
We also have something that we've done to, I think every G we've owned, and that's the tail light mod. So he's finding it right now because it's gonna look really sick with this wrap setup. It's from Dynamics. We'll let Chachin do the install, quick install. We'll just do this side. So all you have to do is unplug it from here, and you're pretty much just replacing it and putting it in between both of them. We're gonna press the hazards, so you're gonna see the difference. So you can see the skyline lights are going to be flashing instead of this little incandescent bulb that's right here. And that also works with turn signals too. So it looks really nice. But you can see the difference, like it looks so much better. What do you guys think of the new wrap? Do you guys like the color? We have been hinting at it since we got the car, and he's had it since we got the car. And now that everything was installed, we felt it was right to finally put everything together. And the car in the sun looks insane. Today's been overcast the whole day, so we can't really show you guys the sparkle, but in one of the videos we'll have to pull it out and show you guys how crazy it is. What are we gonna focus on next?
Wheels and then interior.
Anything else you guys think we should do to this thing, make sure to comment down below. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.